Swaths of California are once again bracing for days of heavy rain and snow, with flooding and avalanches threatening areas of the state. The severe weather, caused by back-to-back atmospheric rivers starting on Thursday, comes on the heels of recent winter storms that dumped several feet of snow in parts of the state, leaving many stranded while others are still trying to dig their way out. The atmospheric rivers, sometimes described as rivers in the sky, were expected to blanket higher elevations with heavy snow and to bring heavy rain across portions of northern and central California, with lighter rainfall in the Los Angeles area, with the potential for up to 7 inches of rain in some spots by the end of the weekend. Forecasters said flooding was possible and that rain could cause mudslides. The rain is especially concerning in areas that have already received a near-record run of snow this winter, including at low elevations in the Sierra Nevada foothills. The first atmospheric river is expected to move into California on Thursday, and another is forecast to arrive on Monday, said Bob Oravec, a forecaster with the Weather Prediction Center. Mr. Oravec said that, unlike other storms this year, more of the precipitation is expected to be rain, prompting concerns about snowmelt in areas like the Sierra Nevada, where there is already snowpack. Besides the heavy rain that falls and runs off, there's going to be a lot of snowmelt, he said. Flooding is definitely a concern as we go forward. It's going to be a heavy precipitation event, Mr. Oravec added. For higher elevations, the National Weather Service said there could be significant avalanche danger in places above 5,000 feet,